Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In this video, we are going to see about Aligo question number 402. Remove k digits. Given a string nums representing a non-negative integer num and an integer k, return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. Okay. So for example, if the given string is 1432219 and k value is 3, then you want to remove 3 elements such that you want to give the resultant string that integer should be smallest possible, right? So I will be removing 4, 3 and 2 such that I will be just giving the output as 1219, which is the best possible smallest string I can generate after deleting the 3 elements. Okay, now here 10200, here you want to delete only one element. If I delete this one, I can give the best possible answer as 200. Okay, so after deleting this one, you cannot write like 0200 because always integers should not have any leading 0. That's the reason why I am just giving the output as 200. Okay, now if the given string is 10, okay, and k is 2, then I will be just deleting those 2 strings and returning the answer as 0. So these are the 3 important examples also to understand the edge cases in this problem. Okay, let's get started. So what is going to be the brute force approach? The brute force approach for this problem. The brute force approach for this problem is find all the combinations. Okay, and among those combinations, pick the best combination. Like if the k value is 3, then I want to just delete 3 values for all combinations. Like first I will be deleting this 1, 4 and 3. In next step I will be deleting 1, 3 and 2. Like that. Delete any 3 values from this number and among those combinations get the best possible answer. So this may be of time complexity O of n factorial if you do this, and space complexity will be O of n. Okay, so this is not the best approach to do this. Okay, so instead of this we may use any other approaches which is best giving the best possible answers. So let me get started with that approach. So see here, first of all I am at this particular point 1. Okay, now whether this 1 can be included in my answer. Yes, you can include. Okay, now again 4. So 4 can be included in my answer, like whether it is like 1 4 or 4 1. How we want to include it? We can include like 1 4 because 1 4 is lesser than the 4 1, right? So I will be including like this. Now 3. So whether 1 4 3 is smaller or 1 3 4 is smaller or something like 1 3 1 4 or 3, like that's it. So whether what is the smaller thing among this? It is 1 3 and 4. Okay, so from this I can surely tell that this 4 won't be there, such that the 3 will be after this 1, so that the answer will be possibly minimum. Can I understand this? My intention is to what? To delete 3 values from this. So totally there are 7 values, 7 digits, right? So what I am supposed to do is, it will be like I'll be placing a smallest value here and the largest value here, such that all the tens, 100, 1000 place or 1 lakhs place, these place values will be smallest, such that we will be generating the smallest possible value, right? For that reason only, when I took this 1, after that 4, then after taking this 3, I will be deleting this 4 and instead of 4 I will be replacing with 3 and making this k value to 2, because one operation is done, right? Now again it is 2. 2 means I want to delete this 3 and make this as 2 and make this as 1. Again it is 2. Again it is 2. So just put as it is. Now it is 1. 1 is best possible answer, right? So I supposed to make this as 1 1, but we have only one operation. So I will be deleting this 2 alone and make this as 1. And here comes 9. So here 0. So 9 will be 9. So 1219 will be my answer. Till now you cannot understand this clearly. I can understand that. So see here, once again I will be doing this using the data structure. Okay, so see here what we have done here. First I put 4, then when I am supposed to see the 3, I will deleted this and inserted 3, right? So what is the data structure we are going to use here such that the recent activity will be deleted? So it is going to be the stack. It is going to be the stack data structure. So draw a stack data structure. Okay. So this is the stack data structure. Okay. Initially, I am at this particular point 1. Okay. Whether my stack has any values? No, right? So directly insert it. Directly insert it. And what is the k value initially? It is 3. Okay. Now it is 4. I am traversing and 4. Whether 4 is lesser than this one? No. So that we cannot get any better answer. So place the 4 as it is. Okay. My intention is in my maximum place values like lakhs and crores here, I will be placing the smallest value. That's the reason why if this 4 instead of 4, if there is anything like 0, then instead of this 1, I will replace this as 0. Can I understand this? But unfortunately, we don't get 0. So that's the reason why it just placed 4 here. Okay. Now it is 3. So 3 is lesser than 4. When it is lesser than 4, I will be just popping this out and make this as 3. I mean insert in 3 and make this as 2 because I popped out one value. I deleted one value, right? Now here comes 2. Okay, 2 is again lesser than 3, which means again I want to pop it out. Pop it out. Make this as 1 and here comes 2. Again it is 2. 2 is not lesser than 2. So you can insert it. Now again 1. 1 is lesser than 2. So pop this 2 out. Okay, and make this as 0. Whether I want to pop this 2? No. I already deleted 3 values. So from this you cannot delete any values. So put the 1 as it is. Now 9. Put this 9 as it is. So what is my answer? It is 1 2 1 9. So this is my required output. Okay. So let me go with another example so that you can understand this clearly. See here. So this approach is called the greedy approach. Okay. And also for that greedy approach, we have used the stack data structure. So see here, this is another question, right? Now here, what is the k value? K value is equal to 1. K value is equal to 1. Okay. So listen this carefully. First of all, I am at this particular point 1. Okay. Stack is empty. So put 1. Now I am at 0. 0 is lesser than 1. Lesser than 1. So what the next step I want to do? I will be popping out the value inside the stack. Pop out. Make this k as 0. And insert that 0 inside the stack. Okay. Now here comes 2. 2 is not lesser than 0. So just add 2 here. Okay. Now come here. It is 0 again. 0 again. 0 is lesser than 2. 0 is lesser than 2. But k value is 0. Which means, hey, you already exhausted your deletion operation, right? So at this point, I'll be just inserting 0 here. Again, it is 0. Insert the 0 here. So what is the value we got? 0 2 0 0. When I converting it into an integer, it will be 2 0 0. Okay, how I am going to do this? I'll be taking a pointer here. Okay, and taking a flag variable, and when the flag variable is something like 1 or something like 0 and this value is also 0, I will be just skipping it and not including in my result. Okay, and when I reach some value which is not equal to 0, I'll be making my flag variable to 1 and I start taking from that value. I will start taking from that value to my result. Now hope you understand how we are doing the how we are ignoring the leading zeros. Okay, now let me give you the another example. So the last example is 1 0 0. It is 1, right? So let me change the color. So this is the index value. Okay, index value, and this is the given string, and the k value is equal to 2. Now I'll be taking a stack data structure. Now the first element is 1. So stack is empty. Insert the 1 inside it. Now again it is 0. 0 means what I'm going to do? 0 is less than 1, which means I want to pop out the 1 such that I'll be getting the best possible answer, right? So I'll be making this as 1 and just pop it out and insert the 0 inside. That's it. Okay. Now listen this carefully. What is my k value? K value is 1. K value is 1. So we are supposed to delete from the stack. So from this stack, delete this 0 outside. Just pop it out 1 time. Okay. Now this stack is empty. If the stack is empty, just return 0 because you have deleted all the elements, because k value is equal to the length of the given string. That's the reason why you have deleted all the values. Can you understand this? In some cases, for example, okay. So let us take the values as 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay. So after doing some operations, okay, after completing, and this is the formed string inside the stack, and still my k value is 2. Initially k value is something, and now k value is 2, and we have finished the traversing, and my result is like this. Now what should I do? I just remove the top value and the next value. I mean, I will be doing a pop operation for 2 times because k value is still remaining, right? So I done for 2 times. So what is the output? It will be 12. Can you understand this? So it is like this. After doing after I want to delete 2 things. I'll be deleting the maximum numbers. So I'll be deleting these 2 things. So 12 will be my answer. Can you understand this? Now tell me, what is the time complexity? So time complexity will be O of n because we are traversing each and every elements. Okay, and space complexity will be O of n because we are taking a stack as a auxiliary space. So this is the time and space complexity analysis. Now let us see the code so that it will be more clear for you. Okay, there are plenty of edge cases for this question. Okay, now let us see the Java code. If you want a C++ or Python code, you can search in the description. So see here, first of all, I am taking a stack. Okay, and now I am traversing the entire given string. This num. I am traversing this given string, and I am writing another loop while my stack is not empty, and also my stack's top element is greater than the now coming integer. I mean that string. If it is greater, then, and also k is greater than 0, then what should I do? I'll be popping out the stack's top element and doing a k minus minus. So this is the step I have done there also in the drawing explanation, right? Okay. Now after doing this, I'll be pushing the current element into the stack. Okay. So after doing this, you will be having some elements in the stack, and you may have some values in the k, or maybe the k will be 0. When we have k is greater than 0, and also the stack is not empty, then what should I do? I will be popping the stack until k becomes 0. So that's the reason why I am doing what? Stack.pop and k minus minus. This is the last case I have done, right? Now string builder result is equal to new string builder of, now leading 0 is equal to true initially. Okay, now I will be just traversing across the stack. I am not popping out the stack. I am just traversing across the stack, and if leading 0 and also c is equal to 0, then I should not take that into my consideration. So I will be continuing it. Else what should I do? Leading 0 is equal to false. At first step, I want to make the leading 0 to false, and next step I will be appending all the values. This is what I told you in the example 1 0 2 0 0, where 1 alone deleted, 0 2 0 0 are there. First time this 0 will be not taken. Instead, when I saw the 2, I'll be making the flag variable to false, such that I'll be taking 2 0 and 0. Okay, so this condition is more important. Okay, now if result.length is equal to 0, then I want to return 0. This is what we saw in the example 1 0, and k value is equal to 2, where you will be deleting all the values which result in the empty string. When the result is in an empty string format, you want to return 0 as your answer. Okay, otherwise you will be returning the resultant by converting into the toString method. Okay, by converting into a string data type, because they are asking the string to be returned. Okay, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and search in my YouTube channel. And if you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this video, just comment below. Thank you.